They're so fluffy.
Yeah, they're so fluffy now, aren't they? So this is Peepsy and Poopsy on day 9 in their lives?
Their names are Peepsy and Poopsy.
Well, their names were initially Tune and Melody. Piper called them Tune and Melody.
Melody's a terrible
Piper's
name.
8. Huh?
Melody's a terrible name.
Yeah, I find them both terrible, but it would have been more fitting if they were bigger songbirds, but these are just so tiny, Peepsy and Poopsy.
They're still terrible names.
Well, I think
they
look like Peepsy and Poopsy. I suck at naming animals. Yeah, well, what would you have called them?
I don't know, not whatever the fuck you called them.
Well, I bathed them this morning. Look how fluffy and nice and clean they are now. Although the girl still looks a bit scruffly. But he's like a punk now, eh? Oh. Enjoying the sunshine.
Me.
And the birds. Oh, they did just so cute, right? Ah. If my phone was so crappy.
Give me one of them.
Yeah.